now has a profile on TikTok rival Triller. Triller, not being talked about that much, but I guess it's an American app, which is the equivalent or similar, at least, to TikTok. They want to gobble up some of that TikTok action, but it was out before TikTok, right? It was out in 2015. That's crazy. Anyways, I guess Trump trying to show his support here for an American application, or maybe just gather more followers, started his account. At the time of this article on The Verge, he has 3,500 followers. You can click the link. I don't know. Maybe he's increased his followers since then. In the video clip posted to Triller, which I believe is the only thing he has posted right now, he says, "I'm a professional at technology." I'm a professional at technology. That's what Will just played. Got freaked out by it. Oh, this has now over 1 million plays by the looks of it. Follow, text Trump. No, nobody can do it like me is the next line in the video. Follow Donald J. Trump on Triller. Anyway, this is kind of funny because he's obviously been at war with ByteDance and TikTok. And so you'd assume the people at Triller might be happy about that. The people at Triller would be saying, we got all these extra downloads now because people are worried about the TikTok thing. We have all this new potential for business. And then we have Trump, who's got his own following on social media, a fairly big following on Twitter, kind of a huge following on Twitter. He goes and posts to Triller. So you're happy about that. And then you start to wonder, what kind of handshakes take place to make this thing happen? Anyway, I didn't know this thing's been around since 2015. I don't know if it stands a chance. I guess if he's got 1 million views, it means there's at least 1 million people.
Yeah.
But we'll see if it takes off. We'll see if his popularity is enough to bring a bunch of people to Triller. Apparently, he is a professional at technology. So who knows what he's going to be able to achieve there.